Ensure precise enabling and disabling of time-sensitive circuits with Egis Mobile Electric's new 5604 version of our popular PT series solid-state relays. The 5604 is a 30-amp one-shot timer with optional on-delay, which can be triggered from a leading or falling input line voltage, and after the shot duration, will lock out the output until the control voltage resets. This compact relay is perfect for 12-volt electrical systems with confined install spaces. Set programmable time and other settings easily with the dip switches under the ceiling cover here. This unit is IP67 rated, and since it's constructed of durable high-temp materials, it's perfect for installing nearly anywhere on your vehicle, even inside that hot engine bay. An integrated LED indicator makes output status easy to see, and convenient wires with integrated input power fuse protection are cross-linked for optimal protection against chafing. Click the link in the description below for more info.